You might not notice them, but without overhead cranes, the world as we know it would grind to a halt. From the cars you drive to the buildings you live and work in, overhead cranes move the materials that make modern life possible. Steel beams, engines, shipping containers, you name it, they've lifted it. They exist for one reason: to do the heavy lifting, faster, safer, and more efficiently than any human workforce ever could. The result? Less downtime, fewer injuries, and higher productivity. In mining, they lift tons of raw material in seconds. In shipbuilding, they assemble vessels that weigh thousands of tons. In manufacturing, they keep assembly lines moving without skipping a beat. Today's industries run on tight deadlines and even tighter margins. Overhead cranes aren't just tools. They're critical infrastructure, making sure goods move on time and businesses stay competitive. And with the rise of automation, cranes are becoming smarter, predicting maintenance, reducing energy use, and working seamlessly with AI-driven production lines. Overhead cranes may not make headlines, but without them, our world would look very different. The question is, what could they help your industry build next?